Okay, where do I see if I'm recording? I'm recording. Okay, the package came, but to be honest, it wasn't the package I was waiting for, which I'm actually a little bit surprised because it came in with a Polish post, you know, like the most basic thing you can get, and the cheapest probably as well. And it's a present for my mum. And as you can see, it doesn't look too well secured. But let's see what's inside. That smells like cigarettes because the postman smokes like a chimney. Hopefully the bird won't smell like a pack of cigarettes. Actually, whoa. You know what? Actually, the packaging is really weak. I can tell it straight away. Katarzyna Gonet Artesana from Etsy. I can tell you that it's a really weak packaging. Look at this. I mean, it looks good, right? It looks good on the outside, but look at the bird's feet. They're like all over the place. That's not how you pack things. Like really. Like this is like the most minimalistic packaging. You know, and it wasn't cheap. It was maybe not twice as much, but half as much more than the reindeer. You know what? I'm not really happy how she packed it. Hopefully the package is you know, everything is alright with the package. Where's the second knife? Where did I leave it? Oh, it's actually here. Oh, there's some stuff on it. I guess I'm gonna have to use this one. Hopefully the bird is, you know, really great looking stained glass artwork, because the packaging is weak. It's really weak. And I'm not a fan of it, to be honest, because look at the feet, you know. I don't know how hard. It's quite stiff. Yeah, I hate the packaging. We can see the bird, I think I have to cut some more. Oh, there we go. Okay, so here's the bird. Oh, come on, get up. I don't know how fragile I don't know how fragile it is. So here's the bird. It's all dirty because of the styrofoam. And the glass is beautiful. Like really. So here's the artesana.pl, handmade. It's a good looking stained glass thing, but one thing, that's a zombie version of the bed, and that's a normal version of the bed. And here's the, like, what the hell part. This is a marker. This is the eyes are drawn with a marker, you know. So to be honest, I mean, it looks really nice. Let's see if it stands. Actually, it stands. Actually, the legs are a bit bent, but it stands, yeah? It looks really nice, it looks funny, but the eyes, really? The eyes with a marker? What the hell? I mean, what is this? I'm really shocked with this, you know? I would never say that she has actually drawn eyes with a marker. You know, if I would smudge my finger all over the eyes, I would probably smear the marker on the stained glass. This is... Oh, come on. You can do better than this. You know, other than that, it looks really nice. It looks very nice, you know, but those eyes. Let's see if we put it against the... No, it looks amazing. Actually, it looks really nice. How do I hold it like so? Okay, it looks really, really nice. There's a small green bubble. But, you know, it just ruins, everything just ruins that bloody marker eyes, you know? I don't know, I mean, obviously there is way just to use a little bit of that metal thing of it. It's a copper foil, or I don't know what it is. But the bird, this is the zombie bird without eyes. This is like the back of it. And here's the front. And it really looks nice, I'm not gonna lie. I really like the colors on that bird. The packaging is super weak. I mean, like super, super weak. And the eyes are just... I really don't like the eyes. It shouldn't be like that, okay? You don't draw eyes on a stained glass artwork. I mean, I'm not an expert, but please tell me. Please tell me if this doesn't make you disappoint. You know, hand-drawn with a marker on a glass eyes. This is ridiculous. And it's not even even. It's not even even. You can see like a little bit of dots, like the marker was dying on her. It's weak. Okay, I really don't know what to do here, because I like the bird. I like everything except for the packaging and the eyes. The bird stands. It stands all right, you know. It wobbles just a little bit, but the eyes are just... Come on, man! Katarzyna, what have you done with that bird? Come on! Katarzyna Gonet from Iwonicz Zdrój, artesana.pl. You can do better than this. Like, really? I mean, it looks like a perfect artwork, and the kid came and drew some eyes with a marker. Now, you know, I don't like it. Jesus. I mean, it's so close to be perfect, yet those eyes. Oh my god, come on. I really like the texture of the glass, the color as well. It looks like a solid artwork. But the eyes, yeah, I'm really disappointed with it. But I don't think there is anything I can do about it. I could use some sticky colored paper or something, cut the eyes, you know, the shape of the eyes, and just stick it to cover those hand-drawn marker eyes. You know, I'm actually scared because I could smear that black marker from the eyes if I would touch it. The bird is okay. It looks really nice. But, you know, from far with my super weak eyes, you can't really see. You can't really see from here. I can't tell the difference because my eyesight is really weak, you know, it's bad. So, but everyone who will come closer and inspect, like, what? This is like hand-drawn with a marker? This is like amateurish thing to do with such nice work. Like, really. I'm really on the fence here. I have no idea what to do. I think I'm just gonna stop recording and think about it in silence. But those eyes look weak as... I don't wanna swear. I don't wanna swear, but those eyes, like really... Why couldn't you? Why couldn't you? Maybe she couldn't. I have no idea. I like those tiny little funny feet with balls at the end. I really love everything about this bird. I'm like super happy with it. But those eyes, just, I mean, the bird looks super creepy from this side. Like, you know, no eyeballs. I mean, no pupils. The eyeballs, but here it just from up close, it just looks bad. Simple as that. At least you could use some paint. Jesus Christ, Katarzyna Gonat. Jesus Christ. At least you could use some paint, not a bloody marker. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I love the bird, but the eyes, they're just destroying the whole thing. I don't know, I'm just gonna message her and whine a little bit. I don't know, just this is really not how it should be, you know, because from up close you can clearly see a little tiny dots and a smeared marker, like a weak ass marker, which isn't, you know, super black and it didn't cover everything like it should because it's a little bit transparent, so but I like it, you know. I don't know if someone with a good eyesight, I don't know how much distance that person needs to actually notice if there's something funky about the eyes. I'm not gonna lie, I love this piece. I love the colors, the combination of those colors. It's just really, really nice. Yeah, it looks, I mean, come on, those little eyes, come on, you could fix that. I believe you can fix it somehow. I'm not gonna even pack it, you know, because there's no way I'm putting it back into the styrofoam. I don't think I'm gonna sand. I'm not gonna sand it back. But yeah, it's definitely not 5 stars. It would be even 5.5 stars. You know, like above the best you can rate something on Etsy, if not for the eyes. But the eyes are just taking way too much from that art piece, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna save you all this whining. I'm just gonna think about it in silence. But the bird looks really nice, you know. I'll just... Actually, you know what? Let's go and see if you can actually spot the eyes on the photos. If you can actually see if that's a marker or something else. Because I couldn't tell from the photos. Okay. Let's see, where are you? I'm so sick tired with all this shopping, you know. Just give me a second. How do I type my password without you looking at my hands? Oh my god, just give me a second. I don't wanna stop video. Nope, that's not the password. No, that's not the password as well. Oh my god. That's the password. Okay, so here we are. So here's the bed. Yeah, obviously, oh my god, you can clearly see this is not a marker. This is not a marker. You can clearly see this is not a marker. You can see, I mean, I don't know if you can see, but you can see this is the same material the bed is made from. Oh my god. I'm really glad that I have came here and noticed it. This is not a marker. Actually, I'm gonna call her, you know. She needs to hear my frustration because this is not a marker. This is the same material, you know, that joins the glass. Now, I wasn't expecting that. The reason I know it's not a marker because it actually reflects the light right here. It reflects the light, and you can see it's 3D. It's not completely flat. Yeah, the price is almost twice as the reindeer. Man, what's going on? Why did I get... Am I like completely sure this is not... Nah, you can see this is not... Because it's even joined with the base. This counter, this line of metal, it just drips from it to create the pupil of the eye. Okay, so what do I do here? Jesus Christ, I really don't want to send it back because... Sorry, excuse me. I mean, the bed is perfect except for this. Come on. And do the eyes reflect it? No. Maybe actually the marker reflects it just a little bit. But I'm pretty sure this is not like on the photo. You can clearly see the marker being... You know, this is why I hate buying Christmas gifts, because crap like that happens. This is definitely... Yeah, this is like a... Oh, I'm so angry right now. This is like a kid, like some kid pick up the artwork and just finish the artwork with pupils with a marker. This is definitely not the same. These are not the same eyes. This just looks rubbish. Oh, I'm so angry. Okay, I'm gonna finish this video. I need to deal with it. Because it's so close to perfect. To being perfect. But I'm so angry right now. I really am. Look at this. Look how beautiful it looks like. It stands, perfectly well. But those eyes, I don't know. Let's see what Mrs. Katarzyna Gonat will do about it, because I'm definitely not 100% happy with it. I'm like 70% happy with it because of this little detail which destroys the whole image of that beautiful bird otherwise. Sorry for the rant, but this is what I have to deal with, Presents before Christmas.